Okay, this is a quick demonstration video just on how to connect up to the AC03 controller, which is this one here. This is the back of the controller. AC03 Pramac controller, manufactured by ComAp. Okay, connected up to a laptop computer. So this will allow remote starting, remote monitoring via RS232 communication connection. So this is the module right here. It's already connected up to the back of the AC03. Then you have an RS232 communication cable that goes to this interface. Okay, this interface goes from RS232 to USB connection. Okay, so we've already connected it up. Just make sure it's on. Okay, it's on. There's an alarm on there from when I turned it off before, so we need to clear the alarm. But first of all, what we need to do, we need to start up the program, LiteEdit. Double click. Program will start. It'll sit there idle. Then what I need to do, I need to connect up the the USB connection to the port. Okay, and now what I need to do from there, it'll automatically detect that on the laptop. I need to go to Open Direct, which is via RS232 connection. Once you press that, then controller address is number 1. Okay, because there's only one controller that's connecting up to. The DDE server is the communication server that informs you whether it's communicating to the controller or not. Okay, so it's actually running, it's all connected, and as you can see there, it's communicating. And it's also communicating via the USB interface. You can see the lights lighting up. Okay, so we go back to the LiteEdit. What we want to do is we want to go to on-off or control. Press control. Then the parameters will open up, so you can control. You can actually turn the unit off, put it into manual, put it in auto standby, and also automatically test. So currently at the moment there's an alarm. So on the top right hand side it says alarm list number 1. Before anything you need to clear your alarm. So you go fault reset. Once you fault reset, the unit is ready to start and operate remotely. With an alarm currently present, you cannot start the model, the unit. It will not start. Okay, from this point here, it's in manual mode. I can remote start it. So I'm just going to press start. It's got a pre-start delay of 2 seconds. The unit has just started. The generator is now running, and you're able to pick up the various outputs of the alternator of the generator, the revs, the hours, everything else, and also the amps that are being drawn from the generator. Okay, so when we look at the generator controller, it's running. It's exactly the same as on the laptop. Obviously this allows remote control, remote monitoring of the AC03 controller via the laptop. Very good feature for configuration of the and pre-delivery of the generator, and also for interface friendly applications. Okay, so now you can hear the generator running. We're going to stop the generator. Now you might not be able to see it, but it's cooling. It's a cooling timer. So it's about 120 seconds that it will shut down. So this will allow the engine to cool down if it's under a decent load, or else remotely I can stop it straight away. Okay, now the generator is stopped. And that's basically it. From there you can also go into set points for configuring the controller to suit the actual generator itself. Values as well, various different values. Now also on here there's a password that allows you to modify certain configurations. Press the red lock. Password is 0. Then OK. Then the lock will go green. Deactivated password. Then you can go to modify configurations. This is where you can configure the contacts on the generator, where you can change it from AMF function to 2-wire remote start via set point number 7, the mains fail block. Okay, you can change different configurations also here of the binary outputs. You can also connect up analog inputs like fuel level senders. Okay, and then once you've changed anything, you need to write to controller and you need to save as. Okay, there's nothing I need to do with this one, so I'm just going to cancel. You can also open up default parameters. So with this controller, I can also save the settings, so that I can save the settings that is currently with this unit, which is a GBL30. Okay, so I've actually already saved this. If I go save, actually I'll save it now, so I'll go GBL30D standard, save. Okay, and then I can also open up old settings as well that I've saved in the past. So I've got the GBL30 standard there. If I go in default, there's also other configurations from ComAp, and I've also saved another one there from previously before, GBL30. Okay, so I'll cancel that. Basically, once you've finished with this one here, you can lock it by pressing the green lock. It goes to red so that no one else can change it. Then you basically close, and then it'll ask you if you do want to save it. I've already saved it, so no. And then it goes back to the default screen, which is no communication to the controller. Okay, so this unit now is connected up. So basically, this module is a loose supply, can be fitted to the GBL models, the GBWs as well, and basically it's a great feature when trying to sell as well. Okay.